Hello people, Professor Argan welcomes you all to a brand new episode of Chem Story. Today I will talk about the chemistry behind keeping clothes clean and bright. We play, we go dirty, and then again we get fresh clothes to wear. Isn't it magic? And we all appreciate the role of detergent to do this. I know you all are wondering about the chemistry behind it, and here is the Chem Story to tell you about that. Stay tuned with me in this amazing journey. The very first step of cleaning any dirty cloth is to getting rid of the excess dirt with a water rinse, and then detergent works on the dirt, which is deeply attached onto the fabric. The main ingredient of any detergent is surfactant, which contains a hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tail. The hydrophilic head get attached with the dirt and form a micellar structure, which is washed away with water, removing the dirt. Mostly alcohol ethoxylate, alkyl or alcohol ethoxysulfate, alkyl sulfate, amine oxide, carboxymethyl cellulose are the key ingredients. But to remove dirt, sufficient lather formation is inevitable, and thus hardness of water comes into picture. Soft water can easily form lather, whereas due to the presence of magnesium and calcium ions, hard water has difficulty to form lather. To solve this issue, different chelating agents which can scavenge the ions and get rid of water hardness like pentasodium pentatate are added as ingredient in detergents. As a matter of fact, in different cosmetics as well, this is used to improve cleansing performance in any kind of water. Optical brighteners like steel pins are also added to enhance the color brightening effect by absorbing UV light and emitting at the blue light region. Softener is added for conditioning the clothes and to keep the fabric soft, just same as we do after hair washing. Chemicals like dialkyl ester, dimethylammonium methosulfate, diethyl ester, dimethylammonium chloride, C16 to C18 saturated or unsaturated fatty acids are generally used. How can I forget to mention about the perfume added into detergents? To create different notes of smell, chemistry has given us so many organic compounds like 2,4-dimethyl-3-cyclohexene carboxyaldehyde, which provides the scent of crushed leaves. Again, 2,6-dimethyl-7-octene-2-ol leaves a fresh and clean citrus smell, an alternative to citrus oils. Usually, polyethylene glycol used as perfume dispersant, which helps provide freshness. After washing, we prefer the creaseless texture in our clothes, right? Scientists have been working on that too and added wrinkle releasing agents like amodimethicone in detergents. Along with that, as viscosity regulator calcium chloride and as pH adjuster formic acid are also added in detergents. To wash biological soils, blood stain and sweat stain, recently enzymes are added as ingredients in detergent. Enzymes are classes of protein that consist of a long chain of amino acids held together by peptide bonds and act as biocatalysts that accelerate or initiate reactions without being consumed in the process. As these reactions are temperature dependent, thus enzymatic detergent formulations that are now engineered with two enzymes that work together as a system to be functional in both low and high wash temperatures. One can identify enzyme by their name itself, and it is always suffixed with "ase". Different enzymes like protease, alpha amylase, lipase, cellulase are able to break down respectively proteins, carbohydrates, fat and cellulose fibers. Are you washing delicate fabrics, bright colors or white cottons? This is an important question to ask yourself when it comes to picking the right washing detergent. Bright colors can fade over time when washed with powders due to the bleaching agents which may strip dyes out of fabrics, causing garments to look dull. For white cottons, powder works hard to get rid of satin stains while leaving the whites look bright and clean. If you are washing delicate fabrics like silk, preferably wash them by hand and use a hand wash detergent with fewer enzyme content, as silk is itself a protein which have the tendency to break down under enzymatic condition. You must not use detergent containing bleach for delicate fabrics like silk or wool. Maybe we don't even consider the fact, but the effectiveness of any washing depends on the combination of washing method and washing detergents. But actually, it is a fact. Hand wash powder detergent is designed for washing clothes by hand or with a semi-automatic washing machine. It produces more lather than other detergents. Thus, liquid detergents are not suitable for use in hand washing. When you use a top-load fully automatic washing machine, you will need a detergent that produces more foam, as comparatively more water is required than the front-load washing machine. Since a front-load washing machine uses less water, it requires a high-efficiency, low-suds formula detergent. If you use a conventional detergent in your front-load washer, the soap may leave a residue on the clothing. So next time, be selective about detergents for effective washing. And definitely I am sharing some home remedies to get rid of those stubborn stains which give us nightmare. There are a number of ways you can clean your curry stained white shirt or your tablecloth. Just mix 1 tablespoon of liquid dishwashing detergent with a tablespoon of white vinegar and then apply the solution to the stain. Or you can squeeze the juice of lemon onto the curry stain. Then leave it for about 30 minutes before washing. Problem solved. Enjoy your food without thinking much. Combination of 2 parts of whole milk and 1 part of white vinegar can do the magic with ink stain. Don't forget to wash it with detergent. And though tea or coffee is definitely preferred to be had it over bed, but the stains can be a real headache. But don't worry, if you have baking powder, make a paste and apply over the stain. Send it to laundry after rinsing with water. It will be all good. So hey all, now go get ready for any event you want to be, as stains are not to be worried about. Thank you for staying tuned with me. If you like this topic, encourage me to do more by sharing and subscribing my channel. Till then, Professor Argan is taking leave. Bye bye.